Welcome to this Allplan tutorial. This video will show you how to create a window with a different shape than the default possibilities. More information concerning creating window openings in general can be found in our tutorial about windows. When constructing a window, you have different properties you can set. One of them is the window's shape. To create a free form, you need to click on this symbol and choose a geometry out of your library. So before we create the window, we need to draw a two-dimensional symbol and save it in our library so that Allplan can work with it. I quit the window function and go to the task Design to find my two-dimensional functions. I simply draw a form that I like and quit. When entering the library and choosing my private folder, I can insert a new group and give it a name. When opening this folder, I can click on Insert Element and choose Insert Symbol. Now Allplan asks me which elements belong to this symbol. I choose the one I drew before, and after choosing a base point, I tell Allplan that it's a dump symbol and confirm with OK. I give this symbol a name and confirm again. Now you can see a preview and the element itself in my library. So I don't need my 2D construction anymore, and I delete it. When returning to my elements and my window, I can now, in its properties, open the free form and choose a geometry out of my private library folder that I saved before. I confirm with OK, and as you can see, Allplan recognizes my symbol as an opening shape. In this case, I didn't pay attention to my measurements, but as I can see now, my opening is pretty high. So I will change the height of sill so that the whole opening will still fit in my wall to show you. I confirm with OK and insert my window into my wall. After quitting the window function and exploring my window opening a bit, I can insert a smart part into this window. In case you need more information concerning smart parts, check out our tutorial to this topic. When I work with the smart part, in the same way as I do with usual window openings, I can edit it and use the same elements that I already know. Hopefully this video helped you create your individual designs. Thank you for the attention and enjoy using Allplan.